Paradiddles! Everyone say it with me. Paradiddles! We love paradiddles. Paradiddles are my friend. I like them a lot. They are so useful. I love them. Paradiddles are probably third on the list in terms of the most important rudiments there are in drumming. So I highly suggest you get comfortable with them. So all it is right, left, 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 left. Sticking is here. As you can see, there's a double in this. There's a right, and there's a left. This is why getting your doubles down is really important, because if you don't have those down, it can really hinder your speed with paradiddles. But for now, if you've never done them before, it's just about getting used to this sticking pattern. Left, right, left. With rudiments, it is a case of literally sitting down and just playing them for quite a long time. You can sit in front of the TV, do what you got to do, but you just got to get used to it for a long time. However, once you've got them, the applications are almost endless. You can use them in grooves, you can use them in fills, you can then invert them, which is basically the sticking stays the same, but it's just shoved along one or two beats. All sorts of things. You can start to add stuff to them, so you can get paradiddle diddles or paradiddles, but we won't get into that right now. In terms of practicing them, instead of just playing them on the snare drum without any feet involved, maybe start doing marching feet. So right, left, left. So you're right, then you're left. Or you can just do kick drum, or just the left foot, just to give you a bit more stability while your hands are doing their thing. Also, a really important thing to bear in mind is what your hand's doing to prepare for the next paradiddle. So if you notice, right, left, right. As that double's going on in my right, the left is coming up ready to hit the main accent on the one. Does that make sense? Right, left, up, left, right, up. Again, this is all about efficiency and being able to get that speed up, because if you didn't do that, then you have to go right, left. It's that microsecond of extra time that it takes to actually do the motion that can throw you off and make things feel really just rigid. So that is my advice for paradiddles. Go forth, have fun paradiddling.